Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 5 of your 60-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, I want to start with a simple question. Are you noticing a change in yourself? Maybe it is small. Maybe it is just a little more confidence. Maybe your sentences are a bit longer. Maybe you are thinking in English for a few seconds without translating. If that is happening, that means something important. You are improving. And today, we are going to take another powerful step forward. Today's focus is thinking in English without translating. This is one of the biggest turning points in your fluency journey, because the moment you stop translating, your speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. Let me explain something honestly. When you translate from your native language into English, your brain is doing double work. First, you create the idea in your own language. Then you try to convert it into English. That is why you feel slow, confused, and sometimes stuck. But when you think directly in English, everything changes. Your mind becomes lighter. Your words come faster. Your confidence increases. So today, we are going to train your brain to think in English step by step. Your first exercise is called Think Simple. I want you to start with very small thoughts. Do not try to think big or complex sentences. Start with simple ideas like, I am sitting right now, I feel a little tired. I am listening to this challenge. I want to improve my English. These are small sentences, but they are powerful because they are direct. Now let's build a little more. You can say, I am sitting in my room and listening carefully because I want to. Learn, you can say, I feel a little tired today, but I still want to practice English. You can say, I'm focusing on this challenge because I want to become fluent. Do you see what is happening? You are thinking directly in English. No translation, just expression. Now here's your task. Throughout the day, I want you to observe your thoughts and slowly try to convert them into English. If you're walking, say in your mind, I am walking outside and the weather feels nice. If you are eating, say, I am eating my meal and it tastes good. If you are working, say, I'm doing my work and I need to finish this task soon. These small mental sentences are training your brain in a very powerful way. Now let's go deeper. Today, I want you to speak your thoughts out loud for at least 7 minutes. Not memorized sentences, not prepared speech, just your real thoughts. For example, you can say, right now I am thinking about my progress, and I feel like I'm improving slowly. Then continue. I know I still make mistakes, but I believe that practice will help me improve. Then add, I want to stay consistent because I understand that learning takes time. This is real fluency. Speaking your thoughts naturally. Now let me give you an important tip. When you cannot think of a word, do not panic. Use simple English to explain your idea. For example, if you do not remember a specific word, describe it. Say, it is something I use every day, or it is a thing that helps me, or it is something I like. This keeps your thinking process in English. Now, let me say something in a deeper tone. Fluency is not about knowing every word. It is about using what you know without fear. And right now, you already know enough to start thinking in English. You just need to trust yourself and practice every single day. And if you want more support, go back to the previous videos on this channel. Listen again, repeat again, think along with me. Those videos are not just lessons. They are your daily training. Use them again and again. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 5 complete, and this time, write one thought you had in English today. For example, I am trying to think in English, and I feel more confident than before. Keep it simple. Keep it real. You're not just learning English. You are building a new way of thinking. This is Laura. And remember, the moment you start thinking in English is the moment your fluency truly begins. I'll see you in day 6. Keep going.